Hey, good morning, gang. Happy 9:30. Happy Tuesday. Here we are, bright and early, ready to rock and roll with ya. We're waiting for the man with the cowboy hat, which we will be here soon. But digesting this market, we're kind of still stuck in the range almost that we were in yesterday. We're in the lower portion of that range, admittedly. But definitely want to give her a little bit of patience and just see what direction it wants to go in. Darn it, why is that not working? Let me move this over. Oh, you stinking thing. There we go. That's what we want to do. But yeah, so basically we had that 7:30 candle from good old Trump war tweet. Kaboom, went all the way friggin' up, rocket shipped. Then we just kind of chop, 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 chop. Getting stuck in that range ever since. Admittedly, things were looking really weak before that Trump tweet. So I wouldn't be surprised if some point this week we do come down and retest that entire move, coming back down to the 23,880s. But is that going to be today or is that going to be later in the week is what we still have to decide. Man, that's so funny too. I'm so used to now having my co-host. It just feels so lonely and weird without the man, you know? I used to be able to start these streams and just roll into everything, and now it just is kind of like, nah, alright, I guess we can get into some stocks today. There he is! Like the bright and shining star of the east. There he is. All right.
What's the deal with websites trying to upgrade all their stuff?
Dude, I know it, man.
Video was asking me all kinds of questions and allow this time, allow never, allow only when using, and then
Yeah,
all the
man.
settings were different.
And then again, I hate that most of those situations too, you know, you have to verify with email, and then there's like a token that you have to verify for a text message for the email, and it's just getting so discombobulated.
And I go to your same text message every morning and click that link.
Yeah, yeah.
So why is it?
Right. So why is today the day?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. One last one. Yeah, and same thing. I really don't like this new the new OBS layout either. Like, I just can't.
Yeah.
I'm not as efficient at clicking through. All right, there we go. Let's make this a little bit bigger now. All right. The dream team is finally back together. Biggest and largest, says Miguel. He says that on every single channel, though.
Yeah, every channel.
Friggin' on to you, Miguel. We got Lewis in the house. Everybody's bright and early for this beautiful bull flag forming on our 1 minute. Though, man, again, what are we feeling for today? I mean, kind of like I was just mumbling about. We pushed up hard from that Trump tweet, obviously 7:30 yesterday. We've kind of been stuck in this range ever since. Mind you, it is a big range from the 200s all the way up to the 763s. No, it's not bad. It's not cold out.
So that 311's a pivot point on trade of 8. But then other than that, we got 23,862 roughly and 24,846.
Yeah.
So basically, we could go 500 points either direction, guys.
Right. Now, admittedly, and I don't even want to put it biased out there yet, but kind of like you're showing right now, there's a lot of resistance above us. So we're at a resistance point. We have VWAP above us. We have EMAs above us. We have the 200 on the 5 minute is only at 345. So there's certainly lots of resistance on the day. 1 second, Roars. Got our EMAs curling down just a little bit. What are we looking at today, Lewis? What are you thinking, sir? You usually get some pretty phenomenal trades right here off in the morning. VIX is kind of going down. Did NVIDIA ever fill its gap from yesterday? No, NVIDIA still has an open gap to the downside from yesterday. Q still have an open gap to the downside from yesterday. But now they also have a gap to the upside as well, which is lovely confusing. So Lewis, longs over 310 close on the 5 minute. I like that.
Yeah.
Shorts under 210 close. Interesting, man. Just watching price action first. H-Town, yesterday's low, 308.50. An issue so far. Yeah, man, showing us a lot of resistance in the, 310 area. Kind of at the bottom of our opening range right now. So 5 minute opening range traders are starting to get potentially excited. Though right now we're just wicking the bottom of that range. Do you have trains around you, bud? Is that
Yeah,
you?
can you hear them?
Yeah, I was like, is that you or is that the song? I was like, that's weird
They're coming
ambiance in
through.
the song. The 1 hour tells
Well,
a
yeah,
lot
they're
right
like-
now.
3 or 4 blocks away, but
Oh yeah?
we got
Nice,
we got
man.
a major intersection kind of right there on the outside of town, right there.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
they blow their horn all the way through it.
What is that, like oil or is it everything?
Yeah, it's everything.
Yeah. See some
And
cattle
they come
on
through
there?
at like 60 miles an hour, so
Oh
you
dang,
want to make
man.
sure you're not in the way.
Dude, we have the Sunrail just opened up here in Florida, and it's killing somebody like every single day. People are such idiots. It's so insane.
Wow.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't even know how fast it goes. Faster than that. I think it's in like the low hundreds or something like that. But yeah, it's always like idiots trying to like just make it through the cross guard and stuff like that. Just kaboom. Let's see, VIX. VIX is just holding steady. I want to see if VIX starts spiking up a little bit to give me a little bit of that bias towards the short. Though, we should be smart and do what Lewis is doing and wait for that 210.
But Big Scotty knows that we've never claimed to be smart.
Yeah, right, boy.
He shouldn't be surprised at our actions.
Yeah, I noticed you were trading on the, I popped into the afternoon stream to throw you that like really quick, and I noticed you were trading off the 5 minute a lot.
Yeah, I've been going back and forth. I try to keep both of them pulled up, the 1 and
Yeah.
the 5, but the way it was acting yesterday, I traded off just the 5.
Yeah.
And it's kind of weird. So Tradeovate, if you have their pivot points, you can't see them on a 1 minute.
Yeah, true.
You have to do the 5, and then when you first log in, sometimes they disappear, and you have to shrink it way down.
Yeah, like right now, I
Shrink the
don't
whole
even.
screen down for them to pop up.
Yep.
Oh. It's
So
singing
here's
to
the.
me.
Yeah, man. Here's the 220 right here.
Oh no.
Lewis says he only trades the 5 minute. It's the GOAT. Man, there was a time I switched back to the 5. So I switched to the 5 for the longest time. Then I was trying to trade the opening 5 minute range. So then, switch back to the 1 minute so I could kind of watch that a little bit better.
Yeah.
No top wick on this 5 minute candle yet.
I'm gonna try to wait for the 180s. And I'm gonna try to catch that thing barehanded.
Nice.
And see, here again, here's their favorite move, right? Everybody's waiting for that low to get taken out,
Yep.
and then they never let it hit, right?
Right. They just rip it back up instead.
Yeah. So we'll see what happens.
All right. 190s
Come on,
here.
pushing.
We have a top wick on that 5 now.
Oh, 182. I'm gonna wait just a second, I guess.
Yeah, because if it breaks this, it could go hard down.
Good morning, Mark. Yes, sir. Let's run it up.
Marco! So Lewis is saying potentially a pullback to 250, and then it might drop that 200 points, retesting the 24,000s, or obviously the breakaway candle. I wanted this long taken out before
right there,
the long.
178 doesn't look good. Nobody followed this. Don't even look at my screen, guys. Yeah, see, she's still dropping.
Lewis, if this goes without me, I'll cry, he says. Down to the 150s. Man, just you're not in it alone.
I think 113 is kind of would be a good bounce.
Hi, baby. Good morning. Good morning, little bun. How'd you sleep? Good.
I don't see the trading cowboy.
Oh, he's sorry, I have my
Hey, Mark.
Not a bad trade so far though, bud. Not a trade.
Working a little bit.
Yeah, bud. There we go. Up 20 points on it for me. Let's see if we can't get a hard
You weren't supposed
reversal.
to get in.
What's that? No, I know, man.
You
But I
weren't
was like,
supposed to get
man, I
in.
don't want you doing this thing by yourself. And besides, literally, man, I've learned, which is pretty funny, that every single time you say, hey, don't follow this one, don't get in, these are usually the ones that you make the most amount of money on, you know? I mean, here we are. We're up 50 points on it right there.
Yeah, I just took one off at 50. I got one left.
Yeah.
I don't know
That'll
what to do
work.
with it, but
Yeah, Lewis,
I'd
good
like to get
call
it
out,
back
man.
up.
You know, good call out. You said close under 210, close under 209, and then kaboom, dropped 67
Yeah.
points quick.
yeah, that was perfect.
Now we got to see. We have 30 seconds left of this for our 9:45.
Runners at 180. My last one.
Fuck yeah, dude.
All right, it's out. Flat again, guys.
Nice,
Now we can
bud.
go back down.
Still, oh, I told myself I got to go heavy today. My very first friggin' my first one. I only did one. I should have went heavy. You know? Oh. Could have done a better job there. All right. So here's our 944 candle. That was a real good wick, though. We
The
got
only thing
news
I
in
was
1
looking at
minute.
is-
Thank you, Marco. Man, I always forget about that. Marco is the
Oh.
king. He's the news king. Yeah, we have, what is it, like industry flash
Yeah,
PMIs?
we have New York Empire State Manufacturing,
That's what it is,
Industrial
yeah.
Production.
ISPs. Yeah.
Should get a little bit of a push right here.
Yeah,
oh, no,
we
never
get
mind.
some.
New York was at 7:30.
You know what'd be
8:15,
nice?
8:20. 15 minutes we have. Am I even on today? I'm not even on today. Let me go see what we got today.
What do we got
S&P
today?
Global. Why do I click on it and it takes me to last week? 1 second. Boom.
Man, I didn't even realize while I was in that trade that was on the 5 minute.
I jumped a little quick sneaky poo right there.
A little quickie sneaky poo, he says. I like that. See if we can't get back up to the
I
two.
took one off at the top there. I'm just going to see if this one will push up.
See if we can't
Did
get
y'all
up to
see
the-
how it just made that wick, though? It never moved. The wick just popped up.
Yeah.
And so that's the only reason.
Hoping for the 230s here. Retest this 9. Let's get a little push here.
There's 30 points. If anybody wants to take that off.
Yeah, we'll see this 210 level again. We got to break through Lewis's
Yeah.
210 now. We'd keep going up, really. Which is thinking about doing. Come on. That's dancing like crazy. Good little wick there. Drop the stop in. We're at the 210s. Alright. Alright, bud. We're up 94 on the day. It's not
Heck
terrible. This motherfucker's already up 1,000 though. Ugh.
No. All right, we're flat now.
What are you
we're
up?
only up 280.
Shoo, man. Oh. Crushing it. King Cowboy. King Cowboy crushing it. Alright. Marco, look, if you ever traded real money and left a trade open and news hits and your stop loss gets filled 20 points beyond where you set it, you'll learn to look for news. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, man, that's very true.
It just makes me want to get even, Marco.
Yeah. Oh,
You want to see
shoot.
a tilt session? You give me a candle I don't know about.
You give me one of them surprise candles you guys are talking about.
Yeah.
We'll see. What are we at? 24,218. So since we're showing the 5 minute, now this is the 1 minute that I'll show on this little screen.
And we can go back to the one. I like to see those pivot points sometimes in the morning, but
Yeah. I don't know, man. I mean, I like the 5 as well. It does slow me down. I don't get as nervous, you know. Like you see the candle dancing a lot, but yeah, because you just don't see the. I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't make me as nervous.
heck yeah, Mark. He's already up 175 on his eval from yesterday's
Yo!
amazing comeback.
Nice, Marco. Nice, bud. Yeah, I should have locked myself out of mine. That's all right. We're coming with some veracity now. I mean, that was
There
the
you
problem.
go.
Is I started slowing down too much on that account too. You know, you start getting a little bit too gun shy because you're getting a little bit too close to the finish line. And you gotta stay just hard the entire time. So definitely showing a little bit of weakness now. The bottom of our actually this 942 candle doesn't have a bottom wick on it at all. That would bring us back down to the 141s. We're definitely spiking on VIX. We've all been there, Greg, says Marco. I appreciate you, sir. Man, I think this Jetty, stop it, baby. I'm feeling the short right now, man.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It'd have been
What do
nice just to reverse it at that 225 area.
Jetty, stop. Yeah, I guess I'm still in that stage of my trading where it's more like when the obvious move is happening, I'm like, oh, it's going to keep happening, so now it's to jump in, and that's usually when it like reverses back a little bit. Marco's already short, he says. But yeah, VIX looks like it's going up real nice. I like that there's no bottom wick on that one candle. But you're right, I guess we want to see kind of a little pop-up here first, and then it can go down. Jetty, I can't take you out right now. Where's Mama? I hope she didn't
He's
do
like,
the
right
animals
now.
without you. I'll be so mad if she did the animals without you. You poor stinking dog. We don't have anybody at the Airbnb right now. Silent Night? Why the fuck did Silent Night just pop on? We definitely don't need that right now. My God. Slowly sinking, slowly sinking, slowly sinking. Shoot, man. Losing this whole thing. 142, 146. Well, we're too late now. We're about to put a bottom wick on that candle. I'm out. Marco is out. Yeah, I mean, we got to see it. If we break this, though, if we break the 130s, we're going to come down, I would gotta imagine, pretty quick. Unless they just go to tease people. They come down and then friggin' come up and then kaboom, come down.
Yeah.
Got 30 seconds left of this candle. It's our first green candle in a little bit.
Oh.
Yeah, I know. I should have went for that short. I'm always too dang gun shy. We
I
got
kinda
three.
wanna go long right there.
You want to go low? Shit, man. Okay. See, again. That's why I like that I'm talking out loud now, though, because, yeah, again, it's like you see different things at different times, right? And I don't hate the long either, because I can see that popping up 50 points.
I'm
retest the
pretend long at
200s.
140, guys.
I'm pretend long at 140. We gotta pretend long, because we didn't even
I'm
have a
looking
green
for
candle
180.
here or anything. You just, because it's at the bottom of the box, so you're like, hey, it's gonna have a pop up. Short-term trading or fighting the shorts, says Lewis. They're battling. They're battling for sure.
Oh, TP's fixing to get hit.
TP's fixing to get hit. By the way, we were long on 10
I'm out of
contracts on that
180.
one.
Boom, I'm out, guys.
We went in heavy.
40 points. Oh
Went in
my
heavy
God.
with 10 contracts.
Oh, what a call out.
Shee.
Who called that out?
Shee. Man, I don't even like, yeah, because it's so just the bottom of ore box bounce is what you were looking for, essentially.
Yeah, and then see how, I mean, it got super slow right here, and then when it wicked through, it just barely, and it popped right back up to that 40.
Yeah.
So I would have bought that wick,
Yep.
but, you know, I probably would have went in with two, and, I mean, I would have let that thing drop, 20 points or something before I got out, so.
Yeah. Yeah. Man, I gotta start reworking the brain a little. Charles, what if we were just going down to cover yesterday's news candle? We talked about that, sir. I don't know. If we break through this ore box, I think there's a high probability we're gonna do it.
Yeah, and then 2 days ago, that 113, I'm going to call it 113.75 or something, would be a good bounce for us too. So that was Friday.
So when you're looking at that, are you looking at the 15-minute for that bounce?
I'm on the 1 hour.
I was trying to look at the 1 hour. I didn't see it on there. A 113 bounce. 113, 113, 113.
If you go out to back to Friday.
Oh, I get it. Yeah. You're matching up. Yeah, the
So that's what I'm looking at right there, because that's where we had that big wick down. It popped right back up, closed.
Yeah.
The next candle opened there, came down, and then pushed right back up
And
to
then
that
pushed right back up.
113, whatever that is.
Yep, I like that.
So that's what I like to look at for the bounces like that.
Yep.
Same reason I tried to grab it at 170 a while ago, because we had the support back Friday. We had a wick down to 164,
Yep.
which is where it's kind of at right now, right? So.
So, Marco, let's see if we can get to 10 a.m. with this 1 minute double bottom still intact. We have 5 minutes. Cowboy's long is still longing. He got out of half the contracts. He still has half.
If I'd have went in, guys, it would have went down to like 24,090 or something.
No, sir. You have to pay $300 a month to see the hidden screen in our Discord that shows you the real trade.
Yeah, if you pay for the VIP, you could have saw me take that trade live.
Yeah. He's in heavy. 10 fundeds right now. Real heavy. Coming right back up to our 192 kind of resistance point. See if we pop above and want to go back up to retest the 220s instead. The long is still longing. VIX is going down pretty good. The only thing we really broke is we broke our Asian lows, and that was it. Man, not to jinx it, but today should be finally trailer day. I'm waiting for my stinking buddy to text me back.
Yeah, right, Greg.
I know, right? Yeah, I know, right? I know. Just always pretending. Finally, like I'm gonna have to finally prove it, and I'm gonna have to go out and I'll buy like one of those die cast, you know, like a tiny little trailer. But then I'm gonna zoom in super far on my phone, and I'll have it hooked up to like a fake truck and everything, you know. Be like, see guys, look at this.
Away in the background. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
So there's our 220 retest. Is it gonna reject or poke its head through? VIX is coming down okay. Nvidia's going up okay. Got this weird friggin' a coven of witches. That definitely sounded like a coven of witches. That was some weird ass music. A coven of witches. Alright, so we have 2 minutes left before our little 10 a.m. Dude, right! Craig, are you in Hogwarts? Craig, your background music sucks both at the same time. I literally said the same thing. Like, I just noticed it. I was like, what the fuck is this? Man, so pretzel music lately. I've had it on Surprise Me. Surprise Me has not been working. Dude, you want like a little Forza? Do you want a little Forza style? A little head bopping lo-fi? What is head bopping lo-fi? Actually, here we go. I'm going to hit you with some synth. Synth is the one. Yeah, this will have some good stuff. Hopefully. Back to trading. Dang, man. Yeah, you're stinking long. Bounced off a orb beautifully right to the midway point.
Wow.
Wow.
Yep. Beautiful bounce. Greg, I'm going to have to spend a few hours making you some music on GarageBand. Dude, please don't hesitate, bud. I would love that. Make sure it's, obviously, this is the hard part. It's got to be royalty free because it has to be YouTube friendly. So that's why we have to do pretzel music, for example, because I can just choose a genre and I can just hit play and it'll just start going through, you know, that genre of music. But yeah, that's the hardest thing, is it has to be royalty free. Otherwise, obviously, I would choose a lot of different really cool stuff. What stations are you guys even into? Do a little emo, a little hard dance, a little hip hop, hippity hop. You guys want some funk, some folk, some house grooves?
Mark's gonna be the original news. He's gonna create it. You're gonna pay him.
Yo, right? There we go. Keep the royalties in house. Here we do. We're gonna do meditation instead. So we're gonna be Zen traders today.
But he'll be a guaranteed sub because he'll be listening and know how much to charge you. So.
Dude, and Mark, remember, Mark is a music major too. Well, on top of being a friggin', you know, rocket scientist, not rocket scientist, industrial engineer. I can't remember.
All right, guys, you're up 115 points if you took that call out earlier.
But very prestigious degree, but on top of that, musical guy as well. Yeah, I know. Literally, man. Good grief.
Yeah.
So again, whenever Cowboy says, don't follow this, go all in. Just YOLO all in. Chemical engineer. That's what I was trying to think of. Chemical engineer. Yeah. They're a little better. A little synthy stuff. Mind this. A little meditation synth. Go out, do some goat yoga. So it's 10:01. Our 10 o'clock news candle didn't even blip. So we're over the news now. We have EMAs above us curling down. We got a resistance point above us curling down.
I mean, is that the push-up we needed to short it, or
I don't know,
do we
man.
need to wait a little longer?
I almost probably need to wait. Like the way it's going, it almost seems like it's just going to keep slowly stair-stepping up to the 300s again, and then it's just going to have a kaboom.
Guys, did y'all hear that? Greg was the one that said to wait.
Shoo! Right?
Another little tear.
Look at that. Look at that. We're getting there. We're getting there, chat. We up 94 bucks on the day. We're up 700. Oh man. So there's this gorgeous, it's an old guy. There's like this 90-year-old that has a gorgeous, I don't even know what it is. Maybe it's like a Chris Craft or something like that. Like maybe a 1970s boat. The entire thing is wood. You know, single engine in the back. And just this thing is cherry. Like it looks like something that you'd see in a James Bond movie. You know, like they would jump in this all wooden boat that's just friggin' mint and then just flee from the scene on it. So once in a while, you'll see this dude just cruising the lake, and he's cruising the lake right now, and it just looks so gorgeous. Beautiful boat. Babe, you gotta make sure you bring Jet with you whenever you do the animals.
I can't bring the baby duckies and Jet by myself.
He was so distraught the whole time, and that's always his poop time. So now he's got poop.
Okay, so let him out.
Just saying, he's got poop.
Okay, let him out. Oh.
Can you do it? Poor dog. So we are forming a bull flag on the 1 minute. The 5 minute is looking a little bit uglier, like just a big old cup. So it could have a cup and handle. Or it could just be a weird U-shaped recovery. That wick on the 1 minute makes you feel a little bit better, but now we're getting a little heavy again. Be a big old 100-point stop right now if you went long. That's the only hard thing. Unless you went long and put it underneath that wick.
Yeah, just under the 200, maybe like at
Yeah, like 193.
190.
Yeah. Yeah, see if this bull flag can play out. VIX just broke through its 15-minute box. So VIX has a good little place to fall. I wouldn't mind taking a little guy right here. You know, after we talked about waiting.
I mean, honestly, if you were long right here and the 21 at 207 didn't hold, you know, 190 would be your last. So you got a little support, but it is kind of slowing down. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think it's going to play out, though. I feel like we want 270. I don't know.
Yeah.
We're super slow right now, right? I mean, it's like the market died.
Yeah.
We're being 9:05, 10:05 y'all's time.
Oh, wow. Oh, wait. No, I'm on the 5 minute. Threw me off. I was like, our volume is insane right now. 31,000. Holy shit, guys. Marco's long. We're gonna retest on that 200. Whew.
All right, I'm in with you. A little late, but it got a terrible feel on that one.
Order filled.
Got the EMAs curling up nice. VIX is finding a little bit of support.
Not to be mean to anybody, but I wish it'd come back down here so I could add in more.
I was trying to add in two. I only have one right now. I know. I figured I was a little bit light.
Oh,
Good little push. Nice little push.
see if we can get 69.
There we go. Good push, guys.
Look at that.
Good stinking
Ka-ching.
push, guys. Ka-ching, he says. The man with the cowboy hat says ka-ching. Great stinking call out, boys. Great stinking call out. Shoot, look at this thing go. Actually, I'm still riding it right now. Let's see. That's probably going to wick me, though. Yep, there we go. Shoot!
That was a terrible feel.
W's in the chat.
Terrible feel for
W's
me,
in
and
the
we still got
chat.
50 points.
Yeah. Beautiful stinking trade, guys. Beautiful stinking trade. Whew. We on fire today. Had to live through some drawdown on that. Got in at 10.03, said Marco. But got a good stinking trade out of it.
So did you like that 10:02 wick, Marco? Is that what got you in? Because that's what if I would have saw it a little faster, I would have been in that. So I would have been in with you at the same time, probably.
Yeah, nice wick. The boom. Yeah, Hydro is in that popcorn. I had to live through some.
Heck yeah.
Yes, sir. That wick looked real good. Right now, this
Yeah.
candle doesn't have a top wick, too. Just pointing it out, gang.
Those are the ones that get me in trouble a lot of times, Marco, because I see one and I don't even, I mean, I might not even be on NQ. I could be on any chart and see that wick and boom, I'm clicking it.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Good the grief. So again, if there's anybody new following the channel right now, make sure that you guys are absorbing these messages. Because this is honestly some very, 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 very good stuff. And it's things that I got to just keep kind of really reaffirming in my own mind too. You know, look for wicks. Look for quick wicks like that. Boom. Look for signals and see if the signals are kind of agreeing with your overall thesis or overall direction and blah, 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 blah. Shino. Nice little bull flag again. We have the 200 coming up here on the 1 minute, up here at 291. And then, of course, we have VWAP, which we're going to start messing with. Cowboy has his fake VWAP because he's special. We have a real VWAP that's 304.
That's how you know the market makers watch my screen, though, because it always rejects and finds support right there.
Yeah, right?
Nobody knows what this yellow line is. I don't even know what it is, but I keep it on there because it works so often.
Yeah, why not, right? Yeah, it's a perfect parameter. Man, it is always so funny looking at my chart versus yours. I really have so much shit on there. So VIX just broke through its 200, which might be good news for the longs. Man, on the 1 hour, we're really just forming a giant stinking bull flag. You know? Look at this 1 hour. That's just a giant, giant, giant bull flag.
Oh yeah.
Right? Boom. Boom. Huge bull flag. We do still have a lot of targets up above, too. 24,500.
So if we get back up to 600, we just need to full port that 1 hour bull flag.
Yeah, dude. Right? Full port. So our 21 did get above our 45, which is giving some nice support for the longs, though we are starting to flatline a little bit, and then the 9 is curling down just a tad. 10, 12. Shoo! Alright, let's get back into it. Just zoning out for a second there. We have really big candle ranges, but I just feel like it's just kind of slowing down. Let's see if we get a bounce at 200, says Marco. We're breaking through the 180s now. Showing a little bit of weakness finally. So we came up above our halfway point. We came up to the 3/4 on our 15-minute range, basically. Lewis says, this is what I want to see. This is it, says Lewis. Man, I don't know. This could be the start of a cup and handle, though, right? The cup on the 5 minute is formed, and now the handle could rocket ship us back up to the. Lewis says 140 locked in, looking for a nice position to get back in. So you're looking for shorts right now, sir? Is that it, or are you looking for longs? We have 40 seconds left on this 5 minute candle.
I mean, to me, that looks pretty good for the Bears right there if they can invert this thing, or for the Bulls, I mean, and really push this.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, man. That cup and handle on the 5 minute looks like it'd be huge. Marco says 15 looks bearish. Let's leave the 15. Yeah, 15 looks bearish.
I mean, I think everything's going to look bearish till we get over 400, and then we're going to be 200 points away.
Yeah. Here you go, a little pan.
I mean, I think the Bears are still in control right now, but
we have 50 points to push up, though, to retest the 70s. Indecisive 5 minute close. So Lewis is still waiting. Man, how do you guys feel about this pan flute music? I know you guys like pan flute. Man, so yeah, the EMA's hugging and kissing real stinking tight right now. What the fuck?
Hmm.
If we can break the 230s, maybe we have a shot for going back up. But man, it's looking real stinking weak. Are you so no, Lewis is sitting out at the moment still. ES is looking heavy. VIX looks like it wants to pop back up into its 15-minute range, back into its orb. But man, so many people have got to be salivating for that short. Is it going to happen? Or is it going to just keep getting teased? What is the direction today? I mean, EMAs are curling down real hard now.
Order filled.
Trying to just do a real quick short right back down to the bottom of this candle, really. Just right to the 192s. Maybe get a little bit more. Nope.
Stop
Maybe get a little bit. Nope. Alright. Man, I did think it was going to come down a little bit farther. But now the EMAs are curling back up. Quick little wick up. Yipes. Quick wick up and then a push down means we're going down, right? Ten seconds left in this candle. Man, too many phone calls. Shoot, man, yeah, I'm super conflicted because kind of same thing like you said yesterday. If we take the 5-minute chart on like ES or the 5-minute chart on this and you flip it upside down, you'd probably be looking for a long, right? Because the wicks.
I mean, I'm not opposed to the short right here to see if it flushes.
Yeah.
You know, because we had this little doji, we had this one pop up over it. A perfect entry would have been, you know, right here in the 230s.
Yeah.
But I wanted this candle just keeps pushing up, pushing up.
Because it just keeps pushing, giving strength. Yeah.
I mean, our EMAs are starting to curl up hard. But to me, this is the perfect to get all the longs in.
Yeah.
Get them nice and pumped, and then we get that push down to the bottom. And I think your stop could be above 250 roughly. But
Here's our new 5-minute right here.
so I'm pretend short at 230.
Pretend short. We're pretend short at 230 now.
for 100 points.
That one counts. And we're really heavy. It's 50 minis.
Now that wick there was a good, you know, good for the bulls. So, but it's either they can't get above that 234.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, bud. With your 50 minis, you might blow the account quick. If it goes to like 239.
The last to 250.
Right. You only have 4 points up or down. It's a make it or break
But think
it
about it.
moment.
15 right now.
There you go. There you go. Man, that would be wild. To just full port YOLO. You know, like buy 10 contracts and just full port like whatever max contract size is each and every single time in just one direction or the other. And then just seeing how many do you pass, how many blow up. Huh. Yeah.
50.
Yeah, what is the math on that?
So it's $1,000 a point.
Yeah.
So if you're up 15 or down 15, I mean, you're up 15 grand or down 15 grand.
Yeah. Yeah.
So basically, you have 2 points to blow a
Yeah.
to blow a 50K eval.
Yeah. Yeah. You only need 2 or 3. You just needed 2 or 3.
3 points, you pass it. Though.
So man, like right here, this wick, you'd have to go to like the what is it, like the 1 millisecond tick, or like the, I don't know the appropriate terminology for it, but the 10,000 tick chart or something like that, where it's showing you the tick every like millisecond. Yeah, that would be bananas. Very indecisive with these EMAs, still just hugging and kissing, curling.
Yeah, I mean, they're trying to hold it. If they can get these shorts squeezed, it'll be lights out.
Yep.
We'll miss the whole move.
This is a super ugly head and shoulders right now in the 1 minute. Up, head, shoulder, kaboom. 5 minute is trying to form a bear flag. Very slowly.
Yeah.
But like I said, though, it's also forming that cup and handle that I talked about. So it's pretty damn conflicting. Yeah, because we could cup and handle and shoot us
20 points
up.
now. If anybody took that pretend trade with me.
Now we have 3 Lambos, 3 Lamborghinis.
I'll email you your digital print of your Lambo. Look at that, man. God, it makes me sick.
Yeah. Come on, let's see if we can't start getting a little bit of a something. Man, still big candle ranges, 30-point candles. Really good volume still, too. Oh, he's thinking about going long. Look at him. He's itching. No, he's itching to go short. EMA's curling down. We got the bear flag flagging. We have VIX at a potential support point.
All right, I'm going to start right there. Just one small guy. I'm going to see if I wanted to see it get to the 21, but
yeah. Still, I mean, we should be able to target the 130s almost, right?
Yeah. Yeah, if we can, we just got to break through this 180 area, but.
So it might come up, retest the 240s again. But it is admittedly looking so stinking weak.
I don't know if anybody caught that yesterday. I think it was maybe the day before, but I moved up and put a stop right there at the top where I wanted to get out.
Yeah.
And when it came up and hit it, well, it was a sell stop, so it bought me 2 more.
Nice.
It worked out, but
Hell yeah.
I was like, okay, I'm out. And I'm like, oh, no, wait a minute. Now I have 4 of them.
Right.
All right, that's not good there. It wicked through that, kind of held. I'm gonna move my stop to break even just in case it pushes back above that. That wick right there, I would have bought it if I was wanting to be long, right?
Yeah. There we go.
The
Pushing down
nine's
again.
really
bro.
trying to point down, so.
Stop filled.
Okay, moved it back up a little. Still, it's trying to hold right here for sure. This 185, 86 area.
Yeah, I got out, but I want to get right back in. I'm just kind of like what you were thinking. I wanted to tap this 210 real quick.
Yeah. All right, I'm flat.
Order filled.
The second I click
got
order
this.
fill, he goes on
Oh.
flat.
All right, I'm back in. I'm back
I'm
in.
back in. I'm back in. Get in the area I want, but being super patient, says Lewis. Well, don't look at us then, Lewis, because we're like, we're in. Lovers are there, just waiting for confirmation on the price action side. I mean, EMAs are still separated nice. The 9 is trying to curl back up just a little. VIX is just bonking its head. Good news. Oh, shoot. Look at that little ripper. Whoops.
Order filled.
Uh-oh, look at that wick. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that got me excited, guys.
Order filled.
That got me super excited. Wow.
For the short or the long? Oh, yeah, short. Good. I was like,
Oh, yeah, I
uh-oh.
shorted that sucker like 5 contracts off the bat. I got 2 left already, but
Ah, shoot. Oh, ES popped up hard, though. Yipes. Alright, what time is it? 20 seconds left.
Order filled.
Aw, darn it.
Order filled. Order filled.
all right, gotta stop in place. If this is a bull flag, it'll stop me out. But
There we go.
there we go.
Come on, keep going.
All right, runners at 220, up 23 points, guaranteed 23.
Fuck yeah, bud. Shoo! Look at that drop. Look at that drop, guys. Look at that drop. 40 points.
There you go. I'm out for, I think, 38 points right there.
Oh, I
Last
still
one.
got one at 210, but it's probably going to get wicked. Come on, survive. Survive 5 more seconds and maybe. Come on. Sink right here. Sink on this 5. Woo! Sink on that 5. Nope.
Stop filled.
Shoo, bud. Shoo.
Nice.
Shoo. 314 on the day.
Yeah.
314 on the day. 90%.
Heck yeah.
Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, Shardy dropped nasty. Yep.
Shorty dropped nasty, says Hydro. Shorty dropped nasty. Oh my god. So good, man. I wasn't even I wasn't even looking at any of this stuff. So big man, short in the NQ. Let's go. I regretted locked my accounts plus 600, but seeing what it's been doing, I have no more regrets. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, man. Yep. What are you eating? Oh, nice. You made an acai bowl? Oh. You didn't even ask.
Every time I ask if you want breakfast while you're doing it, you say no.
Yeah, but every time you've ever asked me if I want acai bowl, I've always said yes. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous bowl this girl just walked in with, thinking I wouldn't want some.
Hey.
Right here.
Stop.
Mm.
What's that?
It's very good.
I don't know.
Oh. Thanks a lot.
You always say no.
You're right. Lewis is saying, "Where's my bowl? Where's my bowl?" says Lewis. Right? Let me give Josh a call too, really quick. Hold, please.
Get away.
I had some yogurt and honey from the promised land, bro, says Lewis. Or says good news. Yeah, man, there's we literally have honeys on there from, local honey. And then there's I don't know, she threw some raisins on there. I've never put yogurt on an acai before though. Oh, she got homemade granola on there. She got homemade granola on there too. Ugh. All right. So guys, I want you to realize we've been on fire today. And it's been with you guys' help too. I gotta say, like Marco, Lewis, you guys are putting us in a good frame of reference, good mind frame and all that. And that's the whole kind of fun stuff about this, is let's kind of keep the collective mindset going. Please, guys, give us your
real.
trade ideas and your targets and your wins and your losses and stuff, because I mean, look at how much more exciting today is when we can all celebrate together. We can all take the same trade together, and the trades make sense because we're all making them together. Kinda fun. Man, I really want a bigger screen on this OBS thing. This annoys the shit out of me. Whoa! Ah, my light died. Dang it! That stupid light, man. I gotta get a longer charging cord. It can almost reach. Maybe it can reach, actually. I might be able to make this thing reach. Now I gotta blind you guys over here instead.
Oh. Couldn't snag that entry. I was wanting it to come back down to 420, guys, so I could try to go along and try to target the top of those previous wicks at 250, 255. Also kind of watching just to see if this is going to be a lower high.
Okay.
Kind of right there.
Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Ah. Nice. I just fixed my OBS. I was able to shrink. I just moved it like the audio mixer. I popped the audio mixer out, moved it around really quick, and then I was able to shrink a whole bunch of other stuff down. Session VWAP flat, so holding fire. No rush, says Good News, and we will get you your bags. Man, yeah, how crazy are all of those videos of like your local airports just getting slammed? Like our local MCO. Oh my god, man. The traffic is just out the stinking door. I couldn't even imagine if you had to fly right now. Yeah. I mean, I just wouldn't. I wouldn't fly right now. I would choose any excuse to not fly. I'd be like, well, that's my excuse to not fly.
You okay, baby?
I'm just cold. Look at that. Now that's nicely lined up.
Hold on.
Nice and professional looking for you guys.
Okay.
Maybe I'll bring this down here. Can we enter this? How do you enter this? That's dumb. Uh-oh, inverted it. Sorry, gang. Just kind of waiting for stuff to happen. Just dicking around while it does. Why is that not working? Oh, now it worked. Look at that. How exciting. You guys are seeing changes happen before your eyes. Amazing. You're seeing how the sauce is made. Look at that. Whoa, that's the wrong one. We don't want to say that. That's my password, guys. Don't copy that.
And that's what's crazy is, like, this is kind of the only time you can do that is when you're kind of live. I mean.
Oh, I know it. Yeah, I know it.
Big Scotty done on Tradeify. Payout tomorrow. Yeah, buddy.
There we go. That looks a little better. Alright, there we go. Nice and professional. Yeah, except for now this is the wrong charge. Crispy looking. Look at that. Lewis, payout tomorrow, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sorry. A little distracted in my own world there. 1040. We've been in, unfortunately, a chop fest range since 1013. So I don't know, man. It's not necessarily something I am salivating to trade at the moment. Look at this. Blech. Not good. But we're up almost 1,000 Can we speak and talk? Can we speak and talk? There you go. We're up almost 1,000 in 2 days, so we're feeling good. That's what we were trying to say. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Hence my patience today. Yeah, man. I agree. First 5-figure month in futures. Hell yeah, bud. Hell yeah.
Congrats.
That's a phenomenal feeling, dude. Phenomenal feeling. Hell yeah, bud. That's exactly where you want to be, right? You know, that's the dream right there. Consistent 5 figures. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, let's get you on the show next week so you can talk about it.
Yeah, literally, Lewis, please. You know, we're already friends on Instagram. Let me know what day works for you. Honestly, just let me know what day. We have to get you on. You know, just like with Marco, we'll just basically replace the... Guys, please. No. Hey. Calm down. Fuck me. Our pool guy's here.
I'll go bark over here now.
Babe, do you want to... Calm down. Jet, you're so vicious. Fucking hell. Johnny, hey, come here. Calm down. Cut the shit. But yeah, Lewis, let us know. Sounds ledge. I'm 100% coming on, obviously, in the middle of the house right now, but we will sort it out for sure. Yeah, dude, who cares, man? It can look like shit behind you. It doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter. We want you here. We want you talking. We want you giving us your insight. I mean, it'll be a great show, man. It'll be a lot of fun. And honestly, if it's dusty and dirty in the background, all the more better. You know, it'll look great. We'll have your renovation project going on. You can show us your reno project. Might have to check in from mobile. Yeah, dude, it's all right. Networks goes in on the 16th of April. All right.
Yeah, Lewis, you can even yell at the guys that are working too if you need to. I mean,
Yeah, right? Get on
put
them.
us right in the middle.
Get on them. Man, this is so crazy now. This is like after hours, it looks like. With the shadows and stuff. Right, Lewis just drops the hammer. Lewis makes a 50-point trade and then just drops the hammer on the guys. You sons of bitches! I'm doing it all with no experience. Yeah, man, that's how you jump into the deep end, bud. That's how you learn how to
Heck
swim.
yeah.
Huge supporter of that.
That's literally the name of his channel, guys.
Literally the name of the channel. Sometimes you got to jump out of the airplane without a parachute and just either build a parachute or build an airplane on the way down. One or the other will save you.
Guy, that 9 was our support at 226.
A sequel to The Housemaid?
Yeah, it's gonna be starring Kirsten Dunst.
What? No more Sydney Sweeney? Want Sydney Sweeney boobies, not Kirsten Dunst.
I don't imagine she'll be in it as well.
Yeah, did you see Housemaid? We're not really, we don't usually watch, like, scary movies or, like, I mean, I guess we watch thrillers, but that's a little bit more like, yeah, I guess it's more of a thriller than a scary movie, isn't it? It's more like a thriller. But yeah, I thought it was going to be a lot more intense than it actually was. I thought it was going to be a scary movie, and it ended up being a thriller instead. But it was a very good movie.
Yeah.
I liked it. Shoot, man, I was so tempted since we just been sitting here to try
Yeah,
out
look at
that
that drop.
short, but man, that instantly pops up. The 210s have been a strong level for
Yeah.
us. That was kind of Lewis's call out. This market is choppy. Yeah, bud. All about Megan Fox, says Lewis. Megan Fox is number one. Yeah, dude, imagine that whole thing, man. What? No, Megan Fox. Listen, Megan Fox in Transformers 1 was the epitome of sex appeal back then, right? She was gorgeous. Now, admittedly, she has done a lot of work recently. But, yeah, man. What? You won best body You won best body challenge in college, and I would arguably say you look better now than you did in college. Yeah. You're 9 out of 10.
Wow, look at that.
You're 9 out of 10. Good.
Whoa.
Oh shoot, man.
What
Well, it's a good
happened, guys? What happened?
Good thing we didn't short. Lewis goes, sorry, Greg, got you in trouble. But yeah, man, the Transformer moves. Imagine that. Like, so she talked shit about the boss, like banged the boss, talked shit about the boss, got fired from Transformers, and then they just had a string of Victoria's Secret models just jumping into that show. They're like, all right, well, this one didn't work. Let's grab this Victoria's Secret model, you know, and then just boom, like VS model, VS model, VS model. Shia LaBeouf, that's why he went crazy. He had too many Victoria's Secret models around him all day long. Once he got into the real world, he couldn't take it. I mean, this is kind of what started happening, you know, on Friday and again on Monday, where it was kind of chop, 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 and then a boom, and then chop, 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 and then a boom, and you're like, ah. And if you're on the wrong side of those booms, it's gonna kaboom you. Norway. All right, Norway. Coming after the Epstein associates. I didn't know Norway even had a... I don't know. Guys. This dog is literally 6 pounds. She's 6 pounds. Meg, if I open that door right now, you're running underneath the bed. You know? Well, shoot, this is a boring day. I don't know. There's always days like these that I walk away at like 11 o'clock, and then I look at it, you know, it's like I had to go do the fireplace thing or something like that, you know, so I walked away at 10:30, 11. And then I looked at it right at like 11:30. It was like a 300-point ripper in one direction or something. And I'm like, what? Come on.
Yeah, what happened? Come on, guys.
Sitting. I could have been part of it. Come on. Huh, real wiki even on the 5-minute, you know? It's not like the 5 minutes looking that prettier. Oh, do you guys even trade? Do you guys even put on trades? Or is this just a channel about chatting?
Yeah.
No top wick, though. No top wick on this candle. But on the 5-minute, it doesn't look great on the 5. Back to our 210. Let's see if it provides support or if we're just going to slice through this time. Cowboy's bored, so he's clicking the button.
It's too late. It's a little too late, but...
What time is it? 10:50. That's our 10:50 candle.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can't play this chop. We're at the bottom of our range now, 188. Seeing if we can't get a nice... Ah,
Could you
fuck
try
off.
again?
Man, this thing is always thinking that I'm activating SIRI, not to say the name out loud. There we go, bud. Getting that push up. Nice little push up so far. Nice little push up. See if we can't get something a little bit better. Shoot. Hopefully a little bit better.
That's not too good.
Not a great wick. Gonna keep a stop on her now.
Stop fill.
You know, it's silly whenever I put those stops out. I'm like, you know, I should just take it instead of put the stop out, because every single time I take it a little bit lower.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that, guys. There was the push-up we wanted.
Oh.
Huge push-up
Look at
now.
that. 100
God
points.
damn it, man.
Whoa. Whoa, baby.
100 points?
Over 100. Look at that.
Dude,
Whoa.
come on, man. I literally
I'm
just
out.
got
I'm
stopped out.
Whoa.
Yipes,
Whoa.
dude.
Nice.
Oh my god, where did you officially get out at? You got in at 200, like 203.
My last one, 197. And out at 317.
197 to 317. Over 100 points. Almost 150 points,
So
man.
220, yeah.
Oh. Sickening. Sickening. I
Whoa.
just got out. Ew, just the melt now? Just the friggin' slobber melt? Ugh.
As you eat it.
Damn it, man. Frustrating. Frustrating. That timing sucks so much, man. I almost didn't do... Oh. Nice stinking trade. Stack Z, watch it come right back down now. Definitely manipulation.
Oh, well, the TV's turning off. So.
Yeah. Honestly, it certainly could, too. You know, especially
And
look at
that's
that
what we
wick
dealt
right
with
there.
all morning is manipulation. I mean, especially these previous 1 minutes here. I mean,
Yeah.
it pumps, drops, pumps back up.
Dude, how funny, too. I was literally just talking about it, too. I was like, yeah, man, I'm about to sign off. Usually when I do that, though, it seems to, right afterwards, go up 1,000 points, and then boom. Wow, dude. Nice stinking trade. What are you up on the day now?
959, just playing micro.
59. I'm up 320. Dang it, man. If I just held that stinking trade. Oh.
And clearly it's just fighting at that 308, 310 area again.
Yep. What a stinking push, though. Wow. So this is finally our basically 930. We just took out our 930 candle. Wow. Huge ripper. Huge ripper. What is up, Zero Dawn? Shoot, man. I almost want to short this stinking thing now. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at her still fall. It'd almost be silly, though. We're right at VWAP right here. Shoot, 290s. Risk a little bit. No, not a good idea, Greg. Seeing if we can't get back to the bottom of this box, you know? We're dancing at the 200 right now. Ugh. Yeah, shoot. I don't want to hold it too long, though. Yeah. That was just kind of a hope and a poke, if I'm being honest. It was up for a second.
So a nice little bull flag kind of pushing back up. It's got a clear way up here, though.
Back up.
Daddy Trump saved the market with that announcement holding back strikes on Iran. Yeah, man. I mean, you never know what those tweets are. Just hold huge weight behind them, right? And then, of course, like we talked about too, you never know when the anti-tweet comes out as well. The, oh, actually, we're not quite ready tweet and all that other stuff. And then it drops just as fast.
Zero Dawn, how have you fared this morning?
Chop Trader, hi guys, finally made it to Disney. What do you mean, you're here in Orlando? Yeah, Roars. Oh yeah, that would be cool. Yeah, I don't know. Probably go to space. Probably go to space.
Oh, Mike, shut up.
Yeah. The space junk. Nice, Chop Trader. What are you doing? What are the plans? What parks are you going to and stuff? Yeah. Still trying to push up. No wick on this candle yet. Think about going long, sir.
Kinda.
Or are you long and you're funded right now, you sneaky devil?
Oh yeah, I was long over there. I'm out now. You want to see something sick though? I mean, literally after we got in that trade, before that rip, I went 2 contracts long on my funded minis and got out for like $240.
Yeah.
Because I wasn't sure, and then they had that rip.
And then it had the friggin'
rip.
rip.
2 minis put on.
Oh man, dude, that would have been nuts. Dude, and that's the short. I just lost money on that stinking short, and here it goes. It's a little sickening.
Yeah, should have grabbed it. Should have grabbed it.
Yep. Or same thing now. Look at this long. Look at this
Zero
long.
Dawn, get down there. I think you got to be trailing them today, Zero Dawn, for sure.
Going to Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Hollywood Studios. Nice, bud. Ah, Noah. Well, yeah, Magic. You're not doing Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom is actually one of my favorites. I understand there's not really a lot to do there, so it's hard to designate a full day to it and stuff like that. But
Oh, look at that.
especially at
Crazy.
nighttime. Animal Kingdom at nighttime with Pandora World and all that stuff. Avatars.
Open at nighttime half the day.
Yeah, but it's not open at nighttime half the time, right? But yeah, if you can see it at nighttime, it's really stinking cool. Otherwise, Hollywood Studios is really cool. Seeing all this Star Wars stuff is pretty insane.
You have to go outside now?
Shoot, man. I'm frustrated with myself now. I wanted to short there. I didn't, I tried to short. Didn't work out. I got stopped out. Then the short worked out. Then that huge wick happened. I'm like, man, I should just go long here. Then I didn't go long.
Yeah.
Now the long obviously would have worked out. Now I'm just sitting here in a bola. Man, what a weird... Hey, who called out that cup and handle? Not that I traded it, but who called it out? Son of a bitch.
Nice. Zero Dawn 312 to 200. 2-minute trade.
Nice, dude. Hell yeah. Whoa, those are big steps. Those are big, giant steps. Yeah.
So Dad,
Yeah.
so should just get the space junk right now or like afternoon?
Well, baby, you always have these phenomenal ideas. It's just hard for me to actually do them.
But Dad, it would be great.
Yeah, I know. So Roars gets very imaginative, and then he wants me to build this stuff. So he wants me to go out and he wants me to go out and find a whole bunch of space junk, and then put together a rocket ship. Which,
Yeah.
in the past, I've tried doing really cool stuff. Like I'll put a whole bunch of like cardboard and tinfoil and stuff like that on his four-wheeler, and I made his four-wheeler look like a rocket ship. And it looked
Yeah.
really cool, man. And that thing could rip around the yard, and it looked like a rocket ship. But it's not a real rocket ship, so it fell short. So the dude really wants me to build a legitimate, you can fly into outer space rocket ship. And I've told you, Roars,
Just
multiple
before the
times.
weekend, Dad.
I know. I've told you multiple times, Roars. As much as I would love to move heaven and earth and build you a rocket ship, I can't build a real, legitimate, flying into outer space rocket ship.
Slacker.
I know it, man. As much as it breaks my heart, I wish I could tell you that I could. I'm just not there yet.
Just do it.
I know, just build it. You want me to be Elon Musk. I'm not Elon Musk. I'm trying. I'll try. Okay. I'll try better for you.
Yeah, but
Careful of that tooth. If you drop it, it'll break. It's very important.
Dad, can you take a picture of me?
Yeah, I can take a picture of you with the tooth. Whoa. Super cool. Nice.
Can I see my picture?
Yeah.
Ooh.
He's being super cool. Nice, bud. Alright, love you, bud. Okay, let's get a stinking good trade in. Slowly trying to put a top wick on this candle. That'd bring us back up to the 320s. But yeah, these are big old candles right now. Sorry, gang, you're just a little boring right now. Trying to figure out the direction without being part of the trap. There's traps all around. Traps left and right here. Traposaurus Rexes got this big old boner just to get it slapped down. Just to get it John Bobbited. Who knows that
Yeah.
reference? Just to get it
Get it
John
whacked
Bobbited.
off.
That's so funny.
I mean, what's everybody think? Zero Dawn, Chop Trader, Lewis, Scott Z,
Yeah,
Hydro.
give us a little direction here, buds. I mean, I think we're unfortunately all probably in the same boat. They're just waiting to see the next little move and see if it's a trap or not. I mean, stuff like this, I guess you got to jump on. Shoot, man.
Mark,
thing-
there's no direction. That's for sure, huh?
Yeah. Marco's getting chopped the heck up.
It's basically a roulette, and you pick red or black.
Yep.
50-50.
50-50. Like 50-50 we win, 50-50 we die, 50-50. You what? I don't know. How long are you going to do that? I don't know. I'm trying to get a hold of Josh. I called him. He didn't answer. Yeah, a lot of chop, Trader says as well. Lots of chop. We're up 270 on the day. I was up 320 on the day, though. So a little frustrated with that. Hey, there he is. Wow, guys, it looks like today actually might be trailer day.
Oh, shoot.
Right?
Better bring back a trailer full of evals for everybody.
Dude, right? Just a big old trailer full. Man, that's going to be one of our fun shirts for you. We'll have like the dually, a dually truck or something like that, backing up fresh evals for all the people.
Heck
For all the good little girls and boys of the world.
And Dad, and house get transformed into a transform, and how it's gonna look like a big rocket transformer. It's like the shuttle's gonna be standing up, and the boosters come right here, and the feeder right here, and the fins are transform into hands. And the head is actually a shuttle.
Whoa.
So the shuttle keeps standing up, and on the windmill, it got eyes and mouth.
Whoa. That would be pretty cool, man. I mean, again, a little hard.
I know that.
A little hard. So now,
a little hard.
A little bit hard. So it's going to be a transformer shuttle, if you guys heard. Be a transformer shuttle that turns into a transformer, a house, and a space shuttle.
A house?
And we got to get some space junk so that we can start building it.
Oh, a house. You mean the underground tree house?
So you can, the underground tree house. Oh, shoot. And we got to build an underground tree house. Have you guys ever seen an underground tree house before? That's pretty cool, man. I do like the underground tree house. We'd have to find, wow, that would be
a lot of wood.
Yeah.
That'll probably take you most of the day.
Right?
Wait, Dad. We don't have to go over the whole world to find a lot of wood.
Yeah. Well, the hard thing is you'd have to find a cave. Honestly, so here, if we're actually getting silly here, guys, hold on. Let's see if we want to go long on this drop. But You know, like those caves sometimes, like a tree will root itself on top of a cave, and then like the root system blasts through the cave's ceiling.
Oh yeah,
And
yeah.
you look up and you'll see a massive tree. So you'd have to find the biggest example of that, where you have a huge tree root system underneath the cave that's large enough for you to build an underground tree house that's attached to the root system of the tree instead of the top of the tree. That's how you build an underground tree house.
Dad, what it's gonna look like? It's like
Why am I not taking these trades? Because I'm talking about underground tree houses.
wait, that's not where I want to build it in the cave.
No, I know, baby. I was just trying to think out loud that might be the only way. But yeah, look at this. We had a nice wick down. We came down. We touched the 200. We talked about going long. We didn't go long.
We can build a zip line
And now it's up
there.
50 points from where we went, where we talked about going long.
Yeah.
All right, baby. Can we talk about this later, please? I just want to concentrate for a little bit longer, and then I'll come and play with you, okay? Thank you. I love you, baby. Here, you can play with the octopus.
Woo!
Well, they got 7 trailers available. So
Nice.
we'll see. We should be coming home with something.
Dad, I'm the king for today. Dad, I'm actually the king for today.
Okay, Rose.
You know, so I get to tell you what to do. Oh, and tell all you guys that I'm the king for today.
Okay. Dang it, I need another trade. We gotta fix the trade I just went rogue on. So I gotta transfer over some trailer money. There we go. Greg, what type of business do you own again? You mentioned at the BDH. Love the stream, by the way. Thank you, Zach. I appreciate you. First off, giving the support then, and then my God, I can't fucking talk today, but also giving us the support here, sir. Thoroughly stinking appreciate it. So, I have a multitude of small fledgling businesses that I would say. And some have worked, some have not worked. The one that you're referring to at the time was I was part owner of the Orlando Laser Shop, which was a laser shop company that did like special events and stuff like that for, I don't know what you'd call them. Like whenever conventions came to town and stuff like that, there'd be a conferences. Whenever conferences are in town, a company would hire the Orlando Laser Shop, for example, to go on site and to like laser engrave 200 or 300 Yeti cups. So we were doing that. My wife was involved as well. Unfortunately, the partnership did not work out. Even though the money's there, it's a great business. Just wasn't the correct business for us at the end of the day. So we backed off that one. And now another new business that we're starting is my buddy is a phenomenal woodworker. So he does these really high-end, we have a lot of new builds around here, like new build houses. He does a lot of high-end woodworking, so like fireplaces and built-ins and things like that. So I just helped him on a fireplace, for example. It was an 8-foot by 20-foot fireplace, and it cost the customer $19 grand for this fireplace, and it took us about 2.5 weeks to complete it. he probably could have completed a little bit quicker, you know. And then there was some add-ons after that. We did some like built-in benches for him. We did their like tray cut ceiling, accent pieces. So we did a bunch of that stuff. So that was another couple $1,000s that tacked onto it and added some time to the build. But long story short, it's a phenomenal business, but he needs help running it. So another new business with another beautiful partnership that hopefully works out this time. So I just went out and bought a lifted truck. I'm buying a 8.5 by 16 foot trailer today. We're going to convert this trailer into a mobile woodworking shop, and we're starting a luxury high-end woodworking company. And like the other project that we just finished too was a $8,000 pantry. That took him again about 2.5 weeks, and probably should have taken about a week. So there's processes that we got to tweak there. We got to tweak some of these processes. Yeah. But as long as it works out, it'll give me the flexibility and freedom to keep living this kind of retired life. Basically, I made a lot of money in real estate, and I quit real estate 3 years ago, and I've just been living on my savings ever since. But I absolutely love this. I love using money to make money. I love trading. I love futures. I love trading cowboy. I love this entire situation, right? So
yeah, man.
This is business number 37 that I'm also trying to start. And this one has the potential to be the most lucrative, obviously. So trying to do multiple things. Yeah, carpentry is the best, Lewis, man. I've always been a desk person. This is my first time ever being a hands-on person. I've loved it to death. It's been so much stinking fun. Building that fireplace was, amazing. Always wanted to move to Calgary and work as a logger. Dude, I used to watch the logger shows all the time, you know?
Heck yeah.
Yeah, dude. I mean, sorry, losing my train of thought, but that seems like a wild friggin' life as well, man. And again, just being like outdoors and stuff like that, that's pretty damn cool. There was an opportunity I had 6 years ago. My last lake house, I built a dock at it. It was an expensive dock too. It was like an $80,000 dock, but it was the first dock the guy had built as a business. He built his own dock. He was friends with a friend, so I was like, sure, man, I'll give you a try. And he did a beautiful job. And at the time, he's like, hey, man, what do you think about coming to build docks? Like, I kind of need sales. I need this. I need that. Like, this could be a business. And I decided no, because I was rock and rolling in real estate, and I never built anything with my hands ever my entire life, as much as it intrigued me. And I was kind of like, seems kind of stinking cool. And I didn't do it. And then literally 2 years later, his second year of business, he did $8 million on the books. And I'm like, son of a bitch.
Holy cow.
I should have became a dock builder. So yeah, man, that was kicking me a little bit. So this opportunity presented itself, and I'm like, you know what? Maybe this is lightning striking around again, and maybe this is something I should be part of this time. And now that I actually know what to do with my hands, let's try to jump into this thing. But yeah, kind of interesting. And again, I was a economics major in college, so. But here's the fireplace we just built, for example. So a pretty nice looking fireplace, And then we did the chandelier, the ceiling, and everything else. Nice. Yeah. But yeah, fun with like the 20-foot tall scaffolding and everything too. But yeah, those guys, I mean, they're outside, they're in the water, they're having fun. They're around multi-million-dollar houses, and they're, million-dollar boats and stuff like that. So it's just good ambiance and good life there, too. But I guess I might regret that decision in September, being a redhead. Being outside in the heat. All right, let's see if we can't get some trades in here, guys. So Stack Z, high-end jobs like that make it recession-proof business. Rich people always have money, and they always have an excuse to spend that money. I agree with you, bud. And that's the nice thing too, with the new builds. That's my background of real estate and new construction, selling brand new houses and stuff like that. So we'll have these communities that'll go in and they'll build like a builder will buy land and then they'll build like 300 to 500 houses in this community. So we plan on finding a community like that that's about 2 years old. So they're sitting in a little bit of equity by now. They've gotten bored of the plain Jane, just plain walls. We'll market that community and hopefully we'll get a bunch of jobs in the same community. Then you can kind of expand and all that stuff from there. So unfortunately, when jobs start rolling in consistently, the streams will be shorter. I'll probably do a 9 a.m. to like an 11 a.m. or something like that. And then the days that we don't have jobs, I'll get to do full streams again. And we'll try to bridge the gap for at least the next year. And then obviously the plan is get the thing big enough that I'm not the one swinging the hammer anymore, as much as I do like it. A year from now, not doing it. A year from now, we have crews doing it, and then we're just the ones being the trading cowboy, basically. Sitting back and, yelling at his kids once in a while, hitting them with the branding iron, saying, go make me money.
Yeah. Crack the whip.
Yup. Man, so sorry, guys. I've just gone on a TED Talk for like 30 minutes and haven't even looked at the charts here. We're slowly stinking grinding up. We do have this resistance point we're about to bunk our head on the 1 hour, which would probably be around like the 366s. Oh,
yeah,
you're
I'm gonna start going in right now. I just did one right here.
Yeah, I like that.
And then I don't really have a stop yet, so.
I mean, it looks like maybe 375s. Worst case scenario, maybe.
Yeah.
Not necessarily worst case, but see how it reacts at 375s, maybe 400s for the end all be all.
There's 10 points,
Yep.
15 points.
Bouncing off the 9.
The 9's kind of holding, which the 9's kind of held this whole time, so won't be surprised if it holds and it keeps pumping. But
I mean, we've had so many 21 taps, though. So you'd hope that even if it's to go up, we'd get a 21 tap, like a wick down. You get a wick down to hopefully get the longs out. Would be kind of the thesis. The theory.
I was thinking we could just see 320 again. Maybe test the top of the box one more time. Wasn't great there.
Here's the resistance point on the 1 hour now. Should be.
Order filled.
$374. I mean, again, maybe 384.
Yeah, I mean, we may be going to 408, but
Yeah.
I'll be out before then.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Nice push up. I mean, just following the 9 to a T.
Yeah.
It's kind of my last add in, and I want it to stay below 390, I think.
What are you at? You're at 6 total.
Yeah. $384 kind of seemed like that was, I don't know, maybe 400. Yeah. Huh?
Yeah, shoot, the way it keeps pushing. See if we can't get a little retracement here. Come on, you stinking thing. It slowed down, which should be
I feel
probably
like I
good.
can hear Zero Don yelling from his house. Why are you shorting it?
Why are you shorting? I mean, right now, I was just going to say, because it's slowed down, it should, you'd hope, come back down, but the 9 is creeping up, which I don't love either.
There we go.
Order filled.
Going to put a couple of stops in here. Oh, geez, I think I did an add instead of a stop.
Stop filled. Order rejected.
Okay, well, we're down to 1.
Mark's looking for longs. I know it, Mark. It just didn't dip, and I was sitting here telling myself, okay, well, if it gets a dip, I'll go long. And I'm like, well, maybe I shouldn't wait on the long. Maybe I should try to get that dip filled in first.
Right. I like it. Back over 900. I like that. Cleared my mistake from earlier. Dancing at the 9 now. Fuck yeah.
Stop filled.
Nice, bud. Back up to, well, 290s, but back up to 50,902. Marco looking for the longs, looking for the longs, looking for the longs. Oh, man, if we can break down to the 21 right here, that would look pretty good for you. There you go, bud.
Getting it. We're getting
Still pushing. Still stinking pushing.
And there's 30 plus points.
Hell yeah. Oh, power of the DCA. I love it. Oh my God. I look like a fucking... I look like a rotisserie chicken right now. Look at this packaging. That looks weird as shit. I gotta go outside more. Don't look.
There's 44 points, 45 points almost.
Not stinking bad. All the way down to that 21.
That one's gone. Got one left. See if we can get 309 maybe, 310. Nice little 70 points.
Yeah. Not bad, sir.
I mean, the 21 should hold, right?
Oh, and there's no wick on that candle, so I think you're going to get it stopped out. But if not,
yeah, it hit it. It hit it.
Still not friggin' stinking bad, bud.
Yeah, so we had, what, 8 of them and just took them off as it went down.
Hell yeah. I like it. I'm starting
Nice
to,
and easy at 12:06 for the day.
starting to learn. All right, sir. Calm down over there.
So everybody that took our trade should be at 12:06 today.
Or, at the very least, 289.
See, that's good. That's a nice day all day long.
Nice day all day long. But yeah, my difference is still the sizing.
Right. Right.
I still got to get better with my sizing, which for the longest time I was a 1 or 2er, you know. So now I'm finally starting to
Yeah.
get back into the 4 to 6s, and yeah, I got to
Well, and it
focus on
works for
size.
everybody. I mean, once you can do one micro, all day confidently, then you can do two.
Right.
Once you can do two, you can do 10. But once you can do 10 of them, you can do one mini.
Right. Yep. Yep. Well, the biggest thing with me too, though, is kind of the difference in, and you'll say it yourself too, is you go in with a micro and it goes down, 20 points, you don't think about it. You go in with a mini, it goes down 10 points, you think about it, type thing. So it's
Yeah.
also just making sure that the entries get a little bit better, because I'll be like, it's just one, so I'll go in one here, and then it'll drop 20 or 30. I'm like, oh, well, that's not that bad of a drop, So I guess I can add in another one here, and then it's like, well, hold on, you didn't even add the first one in the correct spot, and then you're adding the second one in the incorrect spot, and then the third add-in is still at the incorrect spot. So it's more so learning kind of, correct spots, and then, but also,
Yeah, and that's all I was looking at too. I mean, I was, that 400 was like kind of our all-in. And when I saw it not clear, 384 was kind of my last, okay, I'm going to get out if it pushes above that and closes.
right.
And it wicked right over it and then popped right back down. So.
Yep. So that's that's been a huge help too, which is a scary thing, but not necessarily putting stops any longer, Just really sticking to the mental.
This morning it would have got us a couple times, right?
Yeah.
It would have got us, but that happens to everybody. But
Right.
I'm not saying that it's the right thing to do for sure, but I do think the market makers and movers know, and I think they purposely push it below that a lot of times for the reversal.
Man, I'm curious if there's any type of, now we're getting into conspiracy theory shit, but I wonder if there's any type of thing with prop firms, like the prop firms have an algorithm as well, that if it's within it probably can't be big, but if it's within like a tick or something like that, if it can jump and grab it, even if the regular market didn't do that jump and grab,
Right. Yeah. We'll never know.
That's what Patrick's lawsuit is about.
Until we own our own.
Right. So that was a good wick down, bud. Let's see if this thing turns green.
Yeah, I mean, right through the 310s right there.
With futures prop firms, it would be harder to do, yeah. But these CFD prop firms, they can scam you on the price for sure. Well, I even found with my, if I use Tradevate on my phone, I get the worst entries on my phone. Like the second I hit buy or sell, I'm always instantly down like $8, $10.
Yeah.
Zero Dawn, come on, Barker. Come on, Bob
Man,
Barker.
Zero Dawn, I should have held that just a little longer because I knew 310 is what I wanted on that last one.
Yeah.
And it wicked up so fast.
I guess you just have to sit back and complain about your 70-point trade.
We're doing it for the chat.
That's funny. So yeah, we basically wicked through the top side of orb, which is also a resistance point on the 5-minute. We're getting a nice little green candle afterwards, teasing us for the longs with not a bad stop. Took profit at 24,300, says Zero Dawn. Nice job, sir. Now we popped up 30 cents. We have 5 seconds
I wanted
left.
to come down to the 290. I thought 290 was going to be where I tried to jump it long.
Yeah.
I don't like this as a turnaround. I mean, I know it's the 50, but I really thought we could wick to the 95s, 90 area.
Yeah. Yeah, pushing good still.
Yeah, and we all knew that 310 pivot point. H-Town called it out this morning, 308. So
Yeah.
And that's what's good about the chat. You put it in there, those numbers kind of stick with me. Sometimes they may get skewed. I may hear 308, and then when it gets up here to 408, I'm like, oh, wait a minute, 08 was.
Yeah, right. We
But-
talked about that. Somebody said something.
Yeah.
1 second left on this minute.
So let's see if this pops up. If it pops up above this wick and drops, I think it'll continue down. See, it kind of went right to it. There's a quick pop. Now let's see if it pulls back or. Oh, she wants to push.
Still got 30 seconds left in this candle. ES is forming a bull flag.
Don't make me tilt my TP. This guy right here yesterday went in 3 contracts on each account and shorted that thing. And he was like, if this don't work out, cowboy, I'm coming after you. And I'm like, well, please trail it. Please trail this.
Right? How many points do you
But
end
he
up getting?
crushed it.
How many points do you end up getting?
What was that one, Zero Dawn? But he had 5 TPTs, 3
Yeah.
contracts each.
Man, what are we thinking? This is looking actually kind of all right for a long. $124 points. Nice, bud. Nicely done.
You gotta go do the math on that.
Yeah, right. Huh, slowing down. Real small candle now. Oh, still pushing though. Still pushing, still pushing, still pushing.
Oof, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, don't do it. Don't short it, guys.
Oh, you're about to short, man. I wanted to go long back here at the 330s, and
Oh,
it was hugging and
I want
kissing
to short it
still.
right here.
I mean, VIX is at its low of the day, so supposedly at a support point for it to bounce. But ES looks like it's doing a nice bull flag. NQ's looking like a nice bull flag.
If it pops through 58, I'm pretend short again. Oh, I'm gonna try anyway.
He goes, I'm going to be short anyway.
I mean, it's trying to consolidate right here, so I wouldn't doubt we get a pop.
This is our 1140 candle right here. There you go.
It's struggling a little bit. They're trying to hold it up here for sure.
20 seconds left in this candle. Here's our new 5-minute.
Yeah, they're trying to hold it. Trying to hold it.
Order filled.
I mean, this could be the perfect play out of a little bull flag, maybe.
Yeah, VIX. Shoot, man, I want VIX to go up. It looks like it's trying to lose support. We'll see.
All right, took one there, got two left.
Perfect.
Try to shoot for the bottom of this one now.
Come
35.
on, keep driving.
35
Come on,
would be
keep
20
dropping.
points.
Break through that 21. Oh, it wants to. Nah,
Yeah, it's a
I'm
little
out.
short. Stops are in place. Can't lose on the trade. All right, got 10 out of that one. Got one left.
Yeah, because now it's almost the perfect setup for a long, right?
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Yeah, if it would have broke through the 21, we could have easily targeted the 18s again, the 310s.
Yeah.
She's trying to hold. It's pretty bad too when I go back and I feel like I'm back in, high school and stuff, watching film. I'll go back, and watch
Oh, yeah.
your stream and my stream and watch all the way through and go, okay, why didn't we short it right there? Because
Oh, I know it. Oh, I
I want
know.
to be better at shorts, for you guys. So I'm like, I'm gonna go like, why didn't we do that?
Yeah.
And then I look at myself and I'm like, now I'm trying to short it all the time.
Oh, I know it, man. Oh, I know. Or I'll go back to looking at a dumb trade. I'm like, why did I even get in that dumb trade? I was like, I even told I talked about it for 3 minutes before I got into the trade about, don't do this, don't do this. I'm going to do this. And then I'm like, why the fuck? Why, bud? Why?
Yeah.
I'm almost thinking about jumping back into the short, actually. It kind of does seem like it wants to fall off the cliff now.
It's looking a little better. I'm trying to bring in my zero dawn, really calm down and focus on just being patient.
Yep. Got 2 seconds left of this candle.
I mean, this would be the perfect conversion, though, right? If we were looking for a long, we had that little doji candle right there. This is going to be our kind of little boner candle.
Yep. The chi.
Yeah. I'm going to call it zero dawn. Or if we turn our charts upside down, right? This could be the inversion to keep falling. So it's got to break that previous wick and we'll feel better about it.
Got 20 seconds left of this 5-minute candle.
But if it does, then it could try to push past this 310. If not, we're going to get rocket mode. And
Yeah, I want there to be a wick on this 1141 candle. Hopefully it'll put a wick on it right now. Definitely forming a bear flag.
One thing I don't want it to do is pop up over this high, this 363, and then drop.
Right.
Because it'll stop me out, and then it'll drop. It'll be huge.
$30 seconds left of this candle. VIX is going up just a little bit. Man, I feel like you're gonna get stopped out right where I want to go in.
I know, that's what I literally was fixing to move it to the top of that candle, but
Yeah. I literally like I wanna enter at like 355, you know?
yeah.
Which I should just enter.
I mean, I feel like that's it. If it breaks 352, now it's got to push down. I mean, the 5-minute could still be a little bull flag, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the price is getting scary slow, zeroed on for sure.
But yeah, we're down to 15 point candle ranges. Got our 1150 candle coming. Oh, man.
We could see a large rip in either direction soon.
Yeah.
Don't tempt me with a good time, zeroed on.
Right? Hey, Charles. We're having a good day,
our
bud.
buddy.
We're having a good day. We're up 306 for me. We're up 20 grand for Cowboy.
Not really. 1200, 1260.
Jesus, Jet, you okay?
There's Sod.
Order filled.
Hey, Sod. What's up, bud? All right, so I'm in now. Which is probably the wrong time to get right before this guy gets stopped out. We're in.
Right before it rips up.
Right before it rips up, we're in.
So Charles and Sod both came over at the same time. What stream ended that made y'all get over here now? You can be honest with us.
That's so funny. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. Oh shoot! So you're flat. Shit.
Well, yeah, I hit my stop at 57. Look at, but I mean, it hit it literally right at it and
Yeah.
bounced. Charles is working. I got you, Charles. I was just giving you a hard time. Sod hasn't replied yet, though. So look at that. Nice little short.
Stop filled.
Yeah, but since you were out, I didn't have no confidence in it. Oh, clear your screen too, sir. Unless you want to get that. Unless you want to get that long.
Oh, short it right there.
It might not be a bad idea, you know.
Okay, Sod.
Sod. Oh. Oh my God.
Charles, he probably went back to the other stream.
That's where I'm about to go. I'm gonna
We
go to
just want to
somebody
know
else's
which one it
stream.
is so we can watch too.
Right. Yeah, are they any good? My friend is having his engagement party on Saturday looking for a nice Bollywood song for a dance. Nice, man. Dude, Cowboy could
Nice.
make you a really good Bollywood song.
Yeah.
Man, do we have any Bollywood on Pretzel? Can't imagine we have any Bollywood on Pretzel.
We still got to make Greg one.
I know, dude. I know. I gotta send you something sometime. What did you have to? How many keywords did you? Is that what all as it was? You just sent some keywords.
Yeah, just give it to me, and then my wife will just go in there and type in like all the keywords you had,
Yeah.
kind of what kind of music you want, and then it'll make two of them, and then we can kind of edit from there.
Yeah, dude. That's sick, man. Yeah, I gotta do that. Charles, I haven't seen PW in a while. Wonder if he's bigger than us, man. He's just living his stinking life. He's in Mexico. He's ripping friggin' trophy trucks and shit. That dude's life is just absolutely phenomenal now. Like, obviously, he built it. Not saying it was given to him for free, but he's got a phenomenal stinking life, man. That's got to be so much fun. Actually, we're gonna listen. Pretty soon, I need to get better myself. But as soon as I'm a little bit more on Cowboy's level, I'm reaching out to Ginger, and I'm saying, "Listen, Ginger, friendly little competition here. There's gonna be $5 grand on the line. We're challenging you and D Money to a showdown between him and us, and we'll see who trades better. We'll see. You know, it'll be an interesting day, man. I think so." And again, not to talk shit, but I'm pretty sure that Cowboy, and sorry to talk, not trying to talk shit. If this goes to other people's streams, D Money, we're not talking shit about you at all.
Don't get anything started we can't live up to.
But I do think that Cowboy's a better trader, probably, than D Money. I also think, depending on the day, I think you'd have a good shot at beating Patrick. Patrick's a phenomenal trader, obviously. Again, we're not disparaging anybody. They're both phenomenal traders. That's it. They're both phenomenal traders. But I do think we could hold our own in a competition, especially with Cowboy. Now, me, obviously, I got to do a lot better. We can't have a $300 day. We'd have to have a much larger day. But I do think the Cowboy could do it. Especially because really the only difference is he sizes up, like you size up to, four minis. Sometimes he'll size up to like 60 minis, So if you have a day where you size up too, I don't know, man. I think we do it really good. I announced Cowboy as tribute in the trading games. Yes, Zero Dawn. I volunteer as tribute. I'm short and way red. I need a nice move down. Oh, man. Where did you go in short, Marty? Well, hold on, Marty.
Well, Marty, this is it right here. I mean, I literally just drew the line and said if it rejects here, I'm going to short this sucker. And
this has got to be good for you, Marty. Where did you go short? Unless you were short down here at the 307s.
Maybe we need to come up with a trading games theme, bro. Maybe that's what we need to have.
Our own thing, like not a Patrick thing, but like our own tournament type thing.
Yeah, we just bring people in and out, and
yeah.
I mean, if I was at the BDH, I'd definitely have Zero Dawn in my ear.
Yeah, right. I know, man. I know it. I know. We got a good collective of people here, man. I really do like it. But yeah, that'd be an interesting day. Average out the two amounts and stuff like that. Obviously, you would be my ear. Have to make sure that I'm screen cheating on Cowboy the whole time, but
24,300.
I'd be a sponsor. Oh yes,
Yeah.
You were at the 300s. It was this break, man. So listen, dude, that stuff gets me all the stinking time as well. You see this massive flush happening. You'll see a juicy target on the higher time frames that would make sense. So you say, you know what, it's falling off the cliff. I want to be a part of that fall. So there's so many times. I mean, look at that. You got in perfectly. There's so many times I've done that as well. The only person that's helped me in that is, again, Trading Cowboy. Something like this, I'd be salivating like, I'm going short. And then this is where he goes, I was thinking about going long here. And I'm like, oh, fuck. Are we? And then we go long instead.
Man, look at this. I mean, it may happen now.
Yeah, you're
Marty.
getting a nice short right now, bud. Yeah, the only other scary thing, and not that it's good financial advice, but if you can start learning the art of the DCA like Cowboy, you know, you could be flat right now already. If you DCA'd a little bit up here at the 375s.
Yeah.
Patrick comes over to see what all the shit talking is, and he's like, these guys are telling their followers to DCA. That's their trading channel. Oh, God.
We're just tapping the market that's not been tapped.
I mean, the nice thing, man, the nice thing is literally that would be a no.
Here we go, Marty.
There you go, Marty. Come on, Marty. Come on, Marty. Come on, Marty.
Look at that. Look at that.
Woo! You held the whole time, buddy. Tell me you held the whole time, buddy.
See, and that's why y'all got to get on the chat.
Yep.
Because
we can
we
help
have
you
some
out.
connections, and we can cheer for y'all.
And we can help you out. And then you can also, boom, put that win in the Discord.
All right, Charles. Hey, be careful at work, buddy.
Yeah,
Thanks for
we
coming
appreciate
by.
you, Charles. Yep. I'm over here chatting and missing shorts. Yeah, us too, Marco. I know, literally, right? I mean, it happens all the time, right? You start getting excited and stuff like that, and you miss a couple trades. It's all right. But that's also supposed to be the sign of starting to be the sign of a good trader is when you can just sit and watch a chart and not take the trade. You're becoming a good trader. Not saying that you haven't been a good trader in a while, because you have been a good trader, but yeah.
Well, and I think the chatting helps a little bit too, right? Because instead of us trying to jump in early,
Marty,
you know, we wait, we go ahead and wait for that pivot point to come, or that, you know, support line, or.
Yep.
Whereas if we're just sitting here, we're trying to get in a trade. So.
Right. Good job, Marty.
Marty's
man.
out.
Dude, so hold on, Marty. Tell us, how bad was it? So you had 70 points against you. You were down 70 points. How many? What was your contract size? Was it just one micro? Was it one mini? Were you down 500? Were you down 4,000? And then what did you end up out at? You must have snagged about maybe 10 points on it, 5 to 10 points on it in profit. So what'd you end up getting? 4 micros. Yeah, dude, that adds up.
Heck
So
yeah.
hold on, 75, 150 times 4, so $600. You're down $600, bud. Nice. You held it. And you won. Now this 5-minute candle doesn't really have a top wick. It's got a little nubby. I mean, it's got a nubby. It's got a nubby, I guess. But yeah, if you guys have had any wins with us today, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe. We thoroughly appreciate it. And as always, please like and subscribe to the Trading Cowboy as well, because he does the afternoon session. And honestly, I'm probably going to sign off in a little bit here. Got to go buy a brand new trailer today.
Yeah, I'm going to have to jump off here in just a little bit, guys. I got to run and sign some paperwork.
Ooh.
And then I'll come back and jump on.
Your Chase business card needs attention. That Chase business card should not exist anymore.
All right, Chop Trader, have fun today, buddy.
Heck
Thanks for
yeah,
staying here for a
buddy.
while.
Have a great day, bud. We appreciate you stopping in. What? There shouldn't be a balance on this card. We have it shut the fuck down. By April 5th. Oh, come on. Interest charges, late fee, return payment. What is all this shit? Oh, these assholes. They hit us with a An interest charge after I shut down the account, and then hit me with a late fee. Oh, those dickheads. They told me it was fully shut down. That's frustrating. It was 8 days later. 8 days later, they hit us with fucking interest charges.
Wow.
Stinkers. Like 8 days after I shut down the bank account, shut down the credit card, and then 8 days after everything was shut down, they still had something outstanding. Little stinkers. That's annoying. Oh, all right. Yeah, my mind isn't on trading anymore. So we're up 312 in my account. We're up 8 grand in Trading Cowboys account. We've had a phenomenal day today. But yeah, I mean, that's it. Appreciate you guys all to death. Do you plan on streaming today then?
Yeah, I'll be back on in probably 10 minutes. I got to run down, print some stuff off, sign it, and then send it out. So
Sweet. All right, gang. Well, we love you all to death.
10 minutes, guys. Come see us.
Yep. Stay green and then pop on to Trading Cowboys channel just in a sec here and then keep rocking and rolling. Otherwise, we will see you bright and early tomorrow morning at 9:25. Appreciate you, gang. Have a good one.
Thanks, guys. Giddy up.
Oh, now I messed all my controls up. Where the hell is
See you in a minute, Zero Dawn.